for anybody watching this. This is going to be a crab boil, crab and seafood boil. Working with a giant pot that we have. It comes with its own strainer, so that'll be helpful later. Tomatoes, lemons, longanisa, because you need sausage. We've got shrimp. We've got these before from Walmart. It's a pretty good price, pretty good deal, pretty good shrimp. Got corn, because of course we're gonna have potatoes, and then just hang out in the sink, waiting to do their thing. So, I guess first things first is we'll start prepping everything and get the water flavored. Alright, now that we have the ingredients all chopped, prepped, ready to go, we're just waiting for the water to boil, and when the water boils, we're going to take all the stuff in here to flavor with. So we've got some onion, garlic, tomato, and lemon. Just going to have that in the water, get it all flavorful. Water's boiling, but it doesn't taste like anything. So we've got onion, garlic, lemon, tomato. All that right in. Old Bay, because Old Bay is just the flavor you think of when you're, thinking lobster crab bake. So, as you can see, we're almost to a boil. Not quite there yet, so maybe another like 5-10 minutes. Get that water really flavorful, and we'll pull that stuff out and put in the good stuff. Okay. So our water is good and flavored now. Good time to take this stuff out. The lemon, we're going to save that for a butter sauce. The onion pretty much served its purpose. The garlic we can leave in. And everything else, just wait for it to cool off, and you can compost that eventually. It smells good. Alright, so first thing, we drop in the potato. That's going to take the longest. Put that in the bottom. Just basic white potatoes. Don't add a lot of flavor, but they'll soak up a fair amount of it. Then we put our longanisa sausage in, because the longer they go, the more plump they end up being in the end. Plus they help flavor the water. Alright, so we are going to put together the ingredients for a butter sauce. Butter, obviously. Ta-da. I'm guessing no one was truly shocked by that one. Now, we've got the lemon from the boiling water. Still got plenty of juice to give us. Good trick, use the tongs. Get out every last little bit. Some more Old Bay, because Old Bay is good on just about everything. A little bit of sea salt. Not too much. A little black pepper. bit of white vinegar, a little paprika, a little bit of garlic salt, not too much, but just a touch. And then just on the heat till it's melted. Alright, so we've been boiling the sausage and the potato for about 10 minutes now. Time to drop in the corn. That's going to take about another 10 to 15 minutes at most. You can see the butter is on, slowly starting to melt. Gonna add some crushed red pepper now. A little bit of spice, not a lot, but just a little. And we will let that come together and give it a taste after. See if it's missing anything. So, our sausage, corn, and potato is almost cooked through. Almost. As you can see, everything's all plump. So, time for shrimp. Time for crab. Well, I'm going to find out if this pot's big enough. I think just barely. And don't grab them by the front. Always grab them by the back.